Data analytics teams traditionally face one major problem, and that problem is that they spend a lot more time transforming and working and cleaning the data than they do actually doing the data analytics, which brings value to the organization. Celgene is a pharmaceutical company. When we chose to work with DataKitchen, we had a very specific goal. DataOps is a critical part of our data solution. The reason I say that is DataOps is the philosophy and the process by which we look at data and its quality across the spectrum of its journey, from the point it enters into the organization to the point it's prepped for analysis. Our vision was to create a state-of-the-art data infrastructure that was flexible and would allow our analysts to transform the data rapidly with a very low risk of error. After working with DataKitchen for a while, we noticed that there was almost an absolute absence of data errors that we didn't catch earlier in the process. That really was amazing for the team. Another part was it took a lot less time to transform the data for analysis, which gave the team a lot more time to work on the actual analytics that brought value to the organization. Our business partners started trusting the data more, and they started saying that they were getting a lot more value from the team, and that was totally due to the improvements that we had in our data operations. From an organizational perspective, we were able to really measure the ROI by showing the organization dramatic cost savings, but also the organization felt that we were able to help them capitalize on opportunities better because we were more efficient and could do things quicker. Working with the platform and the team is extremely easy. A large part of that is the team's culture, which is very service-oriented. Another part of it is that the platform and the data manifesto, or the philosophy that the team employs, is based on the agile methodology, which makes it extremely easy to implement. Based on my 7 years experience working with the team and all the value they help bring to my organization, I very much recommend working with DataKitchen.
Learn more at DataKitchen.io.